Today I'm going to be replacing the battery on this 2019 Chevy Malibu. 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolt, one is nut. Press on the tip. $10mm nut here for the negative cable. We press on these two tabs here like clips. We open them and we pull this cover out. $10mm nut here for the positive cable. $13mm bolt here for this bracket. And we pull the battery out. We're gonna put it back here. And we're gonna install here this bracket that goes here. See this cutout here? This cutout, there is a wire harness that goes on this side here, and this cutout here. And I also forgot to mention this wire harness here goes here on the bracket here. There is a small like a clip here, just like that. Again, 10mm nut. Make sure all the connections are clean. And we connect the negative here, negative cable. Again, 10mm nut. These clips here, they go here. Now this one is kind of pain in the neck to put it back here, and this hole here, hard to reach. Right there. Put the nut at least temporarily. Again, 10mm bolt. And finally we come here to the vehicle and we turn it on to make sure everything is fine. Alright, car is up and running, no problem. Again, thanks for watching the video and God bless you all.